Yeah.
So
Okay.
what you do is you dissolve your butter like this, where it's nice and lumpy. And it looks like eggs, but it's not. It's butter. In there, kind of like that. Mix up some yummy goodness. This is going to stick to your intestines, which is great. Actually, I think it sticks to your blood.
Well, I thought you left like 15 minutes ago.
Okay, now Noah can slide in the eggs.
I'm gonna slide them in.
I'm gonna slide them in.
It's like a waterfall. Your love is like a waterfall. Their egg yolks running wild and free. Okay, Esther, you want to start the...
Wait, what about the hat thing?
That thing...
I took it off because I like hurt
okay.
myself.
You have to, nope, you can't start it unless you're in
You didn't wear the hat when you did the egg.
The next step is turn speed to 4 and beat for 30 seconds. Okay. Speed
4. 30 seconds. Uriel, you count. Maybe Uriel counting wasn't a good idea.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
I did my 30.
Okay, now what do we do?
Okay, that looks fantastic. So that is the end, and that's how you make chocolate chip cookie dough. I'm just kidding. And next it says flour, salt, and baking soda. So, flour. Noah is the expert. Noah is the expert. Does my hair look good?
Yeah, your hair looks so
Considering I
good.
forgot
How
last
to
time.
put flour into a cup and scrape it with a knife. So we're going to give you guys a demonstration. In case you don't know at home, this is how you do
Wait,
it.
is it baking
First
powder or
thing
baking
first
soda?
is get a knife.
Look at this. It's over there to your right.
And then
Chocolate chip. Baking soda.
And then you have that.
Do we have any chocolate?
And this is Chef Pierre, who will now be showing us how to...
A little scrape flour.
We'll scrape flour.
Yeah, exactly. He's wearing the white shirt so that the flour will blend in when he poofs it all over himself.
Thank you. Are we going slow enough for you guys?
Yep, are you keeping pace here at home? Okay. If you need to, pause the program and catch up to where we are. I don't know. That was a little uneven there.
Emily's very picky. She thinks she can do better. Is this 4 or 5?
That would be 4.
This is 4. Okay.
Is this
What do
6?
we have, 5?
I think
This
that's
is
a
6.
6.
I think.
6.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we might have to rewind our video and count it.
So much for our diversity. If any of you people out there don't like how much flour we're putting in, I'm sorry. You couldn't
should
find
have
any
used-
brown flour.
Yeah.
Brown flour. We do have whole wheat
Got our
flour,
whole wheat
however,
out.
They're a little thicker than white flour, so. We shall now pause for a commercial break.
Featuring Isabel in her pajamas.
Yeah, and her messy hair. She goes to spend the night with Anna. And she's
Don't feature me like that.
I have never seen your hair that scary.
Yo, what?
Never seen your hair that scary.
That's scary. It's pretty scary.
You haven't seen me very much.
They're gonna go watch The Notebook. It's gonna be great.
Oh, it's gonna be so great.
Now what? Bye bye. Have fun.
Bye, Belle. So now we
Bye,
got
see you in the
flour, we're gonna
morning.
get the salt. Esther?
You just open it up like this and you just dump it in. Just dump the leaven.
Just follow your heart.
Yep.
That's right.
Wait. Nope. Nope.
Yep, Esther, you gotta at least put it on.
It always grabs my hair.
Just
Grab
put
it.
her in the front.
Esther, just set it on top of your head.
You know what? If you would just have shorter hair, you would grab it.
Exactly.
I am thinking about getting a haircut like Noah's. What do you think?
No.
You should totally do it.
Yeah.
We can make the top like a little.
I'm thinking maybe like a little bit longer on
Yeah, a
the
little bit
top.
longer
It
so
can
that
come
it
to like
kinda comes
here.
down and around.
And maybe like slanted into the front. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. So.
Yeah, which is not what I signed up for. And this is why you don't wear your hair fancy when you cook.
That's right. So this is right.
So you're just gonna use a knife. That's how you properly do it.
No, it's not.
Doesn't matter.
Ariel, our most enthusiastic.
Yeah, Uriel is doing this a lot. The joy is just seeping out of her cheeks. Cheeks. Anyways. We're gonna cut this.
Cut.
Cut.